हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ्स discussing class 8th mathematics chapter 5, that is data handling, and case study number 2. We already have done case study number 1, and in case study number 1 there are question number 1 to 7, and in case study number 2 I shall be discussing with you question number 8 to question number 17. Means these are the questions based on case study number 2. So that is on your screen. Observe the following bar graph carefully and answer the following question. Here a bar graph is given to us, means subjects are given mathematics, Hindi, English, science, social science, and here the number of books. And on the y-axis, 1 centimeter, that is 100 books. So the question is like this, and we read the question first, question number 8 carefully here. Of which subject are there the maximum books? कौन सा subject है उसकी maximum books है यहाँ पे? You see here. Say the subject mathematics is that is 300, and Hindi that is 400. So I'm writing here the number of books of mathematics, that is 300. See, that is 300. And books of Hindi, these are 400. So Hindi books are 400. And now English books are 200. And then science books, that is 200. And the question is, of which of all their subjects are there the maximum books? Maximum books kiski hai? That is of Hindi, and that is 400. So maximum books are of Hindi, and that is 400. So A is the correct option here. For the same bar graph, we move on to the question number 9. And question number 9 is on your screen. Read the question carefully. How many books are there of the subject whose books are maximum? जिस सब्जेक्ट की मैक्सिमम बुक्स है उसमें कितनी बुक्स है? हियर हिंदी सब्जेक्ट इज हैविंग मैक्सिमम बुक्स, एंड दैट इज व्हाट? दैट इज 400. So our answer is that is 400. So that is 400 because Hindi book is having 400. Maximum books Hindi ka hai, or that is what? That is equal to 400 books. For the same bar graph, we move on to the question number 10. Of which subject are there the minimum books? The minimum books of this subject, and this is social science, and it is having only 100 books. So social science is the correct answer here. देखिए, the height of social science is minimum here, that is 100 books. Science 200, English 200 books, Hindi 400 books, and mathematics 300 books. So minimum books are of social science, and that is 100 books. For the same bar graph, we move on to the question number 11. So question number 11 is now on your screen. How many books are there of the subject whose books are minimum? Minimum books kiski और कितनी है? Social science means the subject has the minimum number of books, and that is equal to 100. So answer is A. 100 books are there of social sciences, means that is 100 books. So A is the correct option of this question number 11. For the same bar graph, now we move on to the question number 12. This is question number 12. The question is, which two subjects have the same number of books? कौन से two subject है जिनका same number of books है? देखिए here, science and English, they both have same number of books. That is what? That is 200. This is English and this is science. So here English and science. So C is the correct option. And number of books are 200 each. For the same bar graph, we move on to the question number 13. Read the question carefully. This is question number 13 on your screen. 300 books are of the subject. Here, this is 300 books and this subject is mathematics. 300 books of subject mathematics, 400 books of Hindi, English 200 books, science 200 books, and social science 100 books. So here 300 books are of the subject mathematics. So A is the correct option. For the same bar graph, we move on to the next question, number 14. So the question is on your screen. The difference of the number of books of English and science is the number of English books, that is number of English books, that is 200. English books, sorry, that is, yes, 200. And science book is also 200. So 200 difference is there. Difference pucha hai. What is the difference? 200 minus 200, that is 0. And D is the correct option here. 0 is the correct option. Question number 15. The difference of the number of books of Hindi and social science. Hindi books are 400. This is Hindi. That is 400. And social science. This is social science. The number of books are 100. So what is the difference of 400 minus 100? That is 300. So B is the correct option. Question number 16. The total number of books. So here, the maths book, that is 300. Maths. Then Hindi, that is Hindi books. This is Hindi. Hindi books are 400. And then English, this is English. English books are 200. And then science, science is also 200. And then social science is 100. आप सबको ऐड करिए 300 plus 400 plus 200 plus 200 plus 100. What is the total of it? That is 1200. So A is the correct option here. Total number of books is 1200 here, means of all the subjects. Mathematics 300, Hindi 400, English 200, science 200, and social science 100. total number of books होंगी 1200. Next question or the last question is question number 17. The total number of books of English and science. Here, this is English, total number of books 200, and that is science, the total number of books also 200. So what is their sum? 200 plus 200, that is 400. So total number of books of English and science will be 400, and C is the correct option. So that's all for case study number 2 of chapter 5 of class 8 mathematics. That is, the chapter is data handling. Thank you.